So this is just our review for lesson 20, okay? Says the parts on the model are all equal. Okay, what fraction names the shaded part of the model? What do you think? Just tell me. 1/3? But no, hold on. 1/3. It says which fraction names the shaded part, not the non-shaded part. Okay, 1/3 is not shaded. How much is shaded? 2/3. Is that right? No, no, that's not correct. Okay, that would be 1 whole and a half. Okay, your correct answer would be D. Then it says Abigail draws a rectangle. She divides it into equal parts. Okay, what unit fraction names each part of Abigail's rectangle? Unit fraction is just one of these. What would be the unit fraction? Remember, unit fraction always has a 1 at the top. 1/8, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 1/8. Okay, so you're right. It's 1/8. Then it says, what fraction names all the parts of Abigail's? Write the answer on the blank. We'll go over that in a second. Hold on. So for part B, okay. Part B. Okay. How many squares were in all? 8. Okay. And then 8 over 8. Okay. The whole thing. If I shaded the whole thing, it would be 8 over 8. But what's the unit fraction of just one square? That would be 1/8. That's what they're asking you. A little confusing there, but that's what they're asking you. Then it says, which model shows a half? Which one shows a half? It says choose all the correct answers. What do you think? Well, I know D doesn't. B does. How about C? Yep, this is half of that. How about E? Yes, it is. And then A? No. Says each circle is divided into equal parts. Compare the fractions of each circle that is shaded. Okay. What's the fraction for this guy right here? That's shaded. 1/4, yes. And the fraction for this guy right here that's shaded? 1/4. Listen carefully. Are the fractions itself equal to each other? Yes. But if I look at the 2 pies, are they really equal? No, they're not. Because this section is actually bigger than this. Okay? Like this would be like a large pizza. This would be like a personal size pizza, a small one. Okay? It's divided in equal sections, but the pieces themselves are a little bit bigger. So it explain what is the same and what is different about the shaded part. So what's the same? They're both 1/4. And what's different about them? Just the size. That's it. Okay? One of the 1/4 is larger than the other. That's the difference. Okay? So for that, we're writing 2 sentences, right? Write the fraction of the shaded part. Well, number 1. 2. Yeah, same thing. I'm counting the bottom, my denominator, I'm counting the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the top, they're telling me the part that's shaded in. Okay, for 4, how many are shaded in? 4, so it'll be 4, 6. Here it says draw a circle. Okay. Show 4 equal parts. Is that right?
No.
They're not equal. So I would start from the center like this, and then across like that. Okay. Then it says shade 2/4. Here's 2/4. That would be correct. Would this be correct too?
Yes. It would be correct.
Would that be correct?
Yes.
No, I'm still shaded 2 of them. Would this be correct?
Yes.
Yep, I'm still shading 2 of them. Would this be correct?
Yes.
Yes, I'm still shading 2 of them. Okay, I'm still shading 2. Then it says draw a rectangle. Okay. The 11 says draw a square. It doesn't have to be perfect, but close enough. Okay. And then the 12 says to draw a circle. So 3 equal parts. I'm only going to use 2 lines. Look. Okay. For 8 equal parts, I'm going to use 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I don't know, 7. Just make it. Don't have to be perfect, but at least you got. Okay. It says 2/3. That would be this. 3/3. That would be 1 right here. 2, 3. As long as we can tell that you shaded in 3/8. Okay. Now, if you shaded 3, but we actually count 9, that's wrong. Okay. That's wrong. And it has to be this. So if this is your square, and it says to 8 equal parts, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then it would just be these 3 right here. Okay? That would be correct. But if you added another one, another line like this, and you actually made 9 equal parts, then that would be wrong. Because it asks you to make how many equal parts?
8.
How many?
8.
8. The way I did it, I just drew 11 lines. 7 lines. So look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then this says to draw a circle. Okay. 6 equal parts. What I like to do is make an upside down Y to the center and then out like this. And then out like this, out like that, out like that. And then shade in 5. Yes, no?